Hello students, after a long wait, the examination finally took place yesterday. And for the first time, examination was conducted in two shifts with major precautions taken at the examination centers. And yes, just like a child is eager to share his happiness with his parents, in the same way students came out of the examination hall center and were eager to share their experiences with their teachers. So first of all, let's have a quick review of this exam as all the students are waiting eagerly that what will be the cutoff, how was the examination, when the key results will come and so many other things. And yes, paper was quite easy, but as compared to the previous examinations which we had seen in the earlier years, the questions were approachable undoubtedly and the options were easy to crack. But that does not imply that paper did not have the tough questions. They did have the tough questions, and there were many questions of the chronological types, many questions where the students got confused. But in an examination like UGC NET, if you are sure and confident about the 60% of your answers are correct, then you can be sure either of the two things. One, your preparation is par excellence, and other, that the paper must be comparatively easy. Those students who work hard, they will be cracking this examination easily and will surely come out with the positive results. Students, I would like to share some questions, some points, and those questions which were asked in the examination paper. And yes, the major highlights of the examination were that in the yesterday's exam, students did not get questions from American, from Indian literature, and even from Canadian, German, and Russian literatures. But truly speaking, and those students who are attending my classes, online video classes, and in the last batches also, they can surely be aware of this fact that I have put total concentration on those areas where the exact paper was designed for yesterday. And it is just an experience, students. It is not that it is something of God gift. It is just an experience that I have put maximum emphasis on the deep-rooted questions and the deep-rooted knowledge of the British literature. And yes, if you remember, I had even taught the British literature in the question-answer types so that your interviews may also be very successful. And I taught you American even, I taught you Indian even, but Indian was only in few, lectures. I did not teach you this Canadian or this France or Russian and other literatures. But yes, cultural studies, English in India, that is rhetoric and prosody, linguistics, and all these specific areas, drama, poetry, fiction, non-fiction, all were covered with the major emphasis as the questions were asked yesterday. And luckily and happily, I came to the conclusion because of my students messaged me yesterday that, sir, paper was easy because we had attended your classes and we had completed your study materials. But one thing again I will tell you, students, there are many students of OSN Academy who could also not do well in spite that they had all the provisions. Why? Because they could not study with that hard work, with that religiousness. So the students feel the same thing that yes sir, I lacked with some marks because I could not study due to certain reasons. So students, in spite that you are getting the best, suppose if you are not able to focus on that area, on the entire panel, on the entire package given to you, then it becomes difficult, students. So always remember, for the next examination, the old students or the new students who wish to excel in this examination, they must study hard and always follow their teacher's guidance. Teacher, maybe anybody, students, all are good, but where you feel that connectivity is very important for you. देखिए, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए थे ब्रिटिश लिटरेचर में. एक लैंग्वेज पे क्वेश्चन आया था रिलेटेड टू कॉम्पिटेंस परफॉर्मेंस. देन देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड ऑन विक्टोरियन पोइट्री अबाउट टेनिसन, अबाउट ब्राउनिंग, which poems to be selected, and there was matching about the poets and the poems. and you had also to match the correct pairs. And in matching about the correct pairs, you had to answer in the format. So sometimes it becomes difficult to students to relate to the questions or to the answers because you have not much in your mind. And when you are matching those things, it sometimes becomes difficult to give the required answer. So वो हमारे students ने कुछ फेस किया और उन्होंने बताया कि सर मुझे आता था, मुझे पढ़ा भी था, but I got confused. So students, I wish that you should study hard now for the next examination. And yes, I remember that in the romantic poetry, questions were asked. In the cultural studies, questions were asked. In the English, questions were asked. And do remember that 2 days before even, I have given you a special crash course for the question test series for Unit 6 and Unit 7. Stuart Mill and others we had discussed. And all these things, they came in the paper. Romantic poetry by the poets Shelley, Keats, Wordsworth, Byron, and their even famous poems like Alaster, like Lamia. Then the chronological sequence of the writers of Pope, Dryden, Sheridan were asked, and some terms were asked. I think it is some glaciology like this, which might be difficult for you because you might not have heard the name. Then feminist works, feminist novels were given in the options like A Room of One's Own, and yes, feminism, Ellen Showalter, Kate Millett, Helen Success, all these pairs were to be matched with the feminists and the poets and their theories. And questions regarding the cultural studies, as I already told you. Then there was a famous work question with the Forsyte Saga, A Tale of Two Cities, poetry associated with metaphysical poetry, and many more questions, students. A time will come when we will have the question papers, we will be able to solve those questions, and we will be giving you the answers with the description also. So, we see, students, a lot of questions are asked from the various known works, from the various famous authors in the form of the following pairs, and these all things you will find in my classes when I teach in the online video classes, in my study materials, which is little bit different what I teach, because then only this 360-degree students are able to find. And always remember that once you qualify NET, that is not the final end of your destination. It is just an eligibility, students. Now basically you have to move to the last step, and that is called the interview steps, where you have to face so many interviews. You have to make yourself justify in front of the professors where you will be taking, and then this final decision will be taken by those professors that yes, this candidate is good and he or she knows so many things of different spheres of literature. So from the past 22 years of teaching, students, I have a lot of experience in teaching NET and IES mains in the classroom program, in the online program, and my study content will definitely come out with flying colors, along with the test series which is given to the students in the form of mock tests, in the form of a video test series, in the form of hard copy. But yes, one thing is very important in the last, that you have to diligently work upon it. इसको मैं हिंदी में कहूँ स्टूडेंट्स, तो आपको बहुत ही मेहनत से, बहुत ही फोकस होकर के और एक कार्यकुशल स्टूडेंट बन करके आपको पढ़ना है। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स भटक जाते हैं, बहुत सारी जॉब्स में, बहुत सारे उनके ऊपर प्रेशर्स होते हैं, फैमिली प्रेशर्स होते हैं, जिसके वजह से वो उतना कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पाते हैं। लेकिन चिंता की बात नहीं है, क्योंकि हर स्टूडेंट का एक अलग प्रोफाइल होता है, हर स्टूडेंट अलग स्टूडेंट से कंपेयर नहीं किया जा सकता, बट यू ऑल हैव दिस सिंसियरिटी and you should be happy that Sir and OSN Academy is always with you, working with you with all the experience, sharing you, guiding you always from time to time. And my students always know that sir keep on asking, in spite that you may forget OSN Academy after getting my classes, but sir always keep that sir आपने बेटा कैसा क्वेश्चन किया, कैसा पेपर आया, कोई परेशानी हो तो बताइए. And sometimes the students revert, sometimes the students are they don't have time. So I will always say students that have sincerity towards your teacher, have sincerity towards your work, have sincerity towards God, because ultimately He is the maker. He knows that who is doing what, and accordingly He will pay for it. With those words, I hope that I have tried to guide you today, that yes, if you are now looking for the next examination for 2021, the time is with you. The new batches have started for PGT, for NET, for TGT, for IAS mains. And yes, if you want to work with sir diligently, then OSN Academy is always with you. Thank you so much, students. God bless you, and subscribe the channel with notification so that you get all the updates from time to time.